It's going to be about 1 1/4 ounce, so a standard, shot of the local vodka.
All right. And you don't have to measure, right? You're a pro.
Okay, I've got it memorized by now.
I'm sure.
I will for the syrup there, just because I would never want it to be too sweet for anybody.
That's a really good point. And what kind of a simple syrup is this?
So this is a homemade yuzu syrup. So what we do is we basically, I zest a couple lemons, but also some yuzu.
So you can get fresh yuzu. They're kind of hard to find.
They are, but chef's kind
got
enough
some
to get them in for me. Yeah. So it's an ounce of the fresh yuzu syrup. There's also a 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice in here.
Nice. What does a yuzu taste like for anybody who hasn't had it?
Yuzu, basically, it looks like a lemon, but it tastes more like a blend of like a lemon and a grapefruit. So it has a little bit more bitterness because it is a syrup. Once again, I don't want it to be too sweet, and because we are using the other puree from the pear, which also has some, natural sugar in it.
Is that what this is? The pear puree?
Yes, this would be my pear puree here. So we keep it to. It doesn't want to come out of there.
All right.
To 2 ounces of pear puree. And then wouldn't be a bubble tea without the green tea.
Of course. And that looks like a really concentrated green tea.
It is a concentrated green tea. So I have tried it with a bunch of different styles of tea, but actually the Japanese powdered green tea.
Like a matcha?
Yes,
Awesome.
works best with it, only because you are using alcohol, and you want to be able to taste it.
Yeah, for sure. Now, what is this? Because they look like blueberries, but something tells me otherwise.
No, these are Tapioca Pearls or Tapioca Pearls. So these are the fun part. What make this cocktail so fun are they're like a chewy little candy at the bottom of the drink. So as you're drinking it, you'll see I have these jumbo straws. As you're drinking it, you're gonna get little chewy bites that taste like the cocktail.
That's so much fun.
Yes.
And this is your most popular drink right now?
Yes, this one hands
why.
down.
Yeah?
Is,
Everybody
is,
loves
is,
it?
Is the biggest one. Yeah.
Nice.
Gotta get it real cold.
Yeah, nice shake. I love a well-shaken cocktail. There's definitely something to be said for that.
Yeah, and then I just
Smells really good too. That's citrus.
one of these fun little straws and a lime wheel.
Oh, that's
there
so
you have
cool.
it.
I can't wait to try it.